Best HDMI cord for 4K. Number 1. High Wings HDMI cord for 4K. This 4K ultra high-speed HDMI cable uses the most cutting-edge technology, is compatible with 4K at 60Hz and 4K at 120Hz, clearly displays every particle, and accurately processes every signal source. Upgrade revolution. Highwings ultra high-speed HDMI cable supports 48 gigabits per second, 6 gigabytes per second, which will no longer be stuck or dropped frames when watching video. For game enthusiasts, this 8K ultra high-speed HDMI cable can achieve a super smooth picture of 4K at 120Hz. Its latest game mode supports variable refresh rate, maximizes the value of the graphics card. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Power Bear HDMI cord for 4K. This HDMI cable has 30 WG copper wire, triple tin shielded in a double braided premium nylon with gold-plated corrosion-resistant connectors for guaranteed top-tier image and sound. Ultra high-speed 4K HDMI cable supports 18 gigabits per second transfer and is backwards compatible with earlier versions. Works with all of your HDMI devices. Compatible with Blu-ray players, Fire TV, Apple TV, PS5, PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, computer, laptop, monitor, projector and more. An essential HDMI cable for all of your home. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Sunsonic HDMI cord for 4K. HDMI over Ethernet supports HDCP 2.2, High Dynamic Range HDR10, 3D. Audio Return Channel, ARC, to synchronize sound and picture without delay. The highest audio sampling rate of 1536 kHz. 32 audio channels to provide multidimensional and immersive audio experience. Supports surround stereo sound. SEC extension enable a single remote control to control multiple devices connected to the HDMI interface. Made of durable nylon braided HDMI cable 3 foot, it can withstand more frequent bending tests. It made of gold-plated connector and chrome-plated aluminum alloy shell, shielding. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Adapter HDMI cord for 4K. Unique 8K HDMI 12-bit dynamic HDR color processing technology. Every scene in the video is matched to every frame with outstanding depth, brightness, detail, contrast and color gamut. The combination of Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision delivers an immersive experience with enhanced audio fidelity and support for the latest high bitrate audio formats including DTS Master, DTS-X, ATOMS and Enhanced Audio Return Channel, EARC. This HDMI cable can achieve 8K ultra-high image quality, and the latest game mode supports variable refresh rate as the scene changes. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Jurenka HDMI cord for 4K. Upgraded HDMI 2.0 HD cables, 4K HD picture quality transmission compatible 2K 60Hz/30Hz, more exquisite picture, enjoy the 3D vision, enjoy theater level effect at home. No double image, no flashing screen, TMDS transmission differential signal, aluminum foil ground woven, round, multiple shielding, transmission stability without loss. Large screen projection, office/speech more clear and efficient, automatic synchronization of audio and video, no manual adjustment, enjoy sound vision. Gold-plated interface, corrosion and oxidation resistance. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.